Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a custom theme in PowerPoint step by step. First, head to the Design tab at the top. You'll see a gallery of theme thumbnails. Pick any Microsoft 365 theme as your starting point. You can stick with the basic Office theme or click the down arrow under Themes to browse more options. Now, let's customize the colors. In the Design tab, find the Variants section on the right side. Click the down arrow to open the Variants gallery, then hover over Colors and click Customize Colors. The Create New Theme Colors dialog box will open. In this dialog, you'll see a list of color elements, text, background, 6 accent colors, and hyperlink colors. Click the button next to any element you want to change, like Accent 1 or Hyperlink. A color picker palette appears. Choose a color from the Theme Colors section. If you want an exact color, click More Colors and use either the Standard tab or Custom tab to enter a specific color formula. You'll see a sample preview at the top, so you can check how everything looks together. Once you're happy with your colors, type a name for this color scheme in the name box at the bottom, then click Save. Next, we'll customize the fonts. Go to the View tab and click Slide Master. Slide Master view opens. The Slide Master is the large slide thumbnail at the top of the list on the left. Now, in the Slide Master tab, click the Fonts dropdown and select Customize Fonts. The Create New Theme Fonts dialog box appears. Choose your heading font and body font from the dropdowns, then type a name for your font combination in the name box and click Save. Now for effects. Go back to the Design tab, click the Variants dropdown, and hover over Effects. You'll see a gallery of preset effect styles. Pick one. These control fills, shadows, and bevels for shapes and smart art graphics. Finally, let's save the complete theme. Go back to the View tab, click Slide Master, then in the Slide Master tab, click the Themes dropdown and select Save Current Theme. The Save Current Theme dialog appears. Type a name for your theme in the File name box and click Save. PowerPoint saves it as a .thmx file in your Document Themes folder. Once saved, your theme automatically appears in the Custom Themes section of the Design tab gallery. If you want this theme to be your default for all new presentations, right-click it in the Design tab and set it as default. You can now apply this theme to any other presentation just by clicking it in the gallery. And that's how to create a custom theme in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.